In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Electrolux washing machine. So why would you reset it? Well, this can solve many different problems, including if it has stopped working or maybe it just stopped in the middle of a cycle. Maybe the lights are not lighting up anymore, or maybe the buttons are not responding. So this could solve this kind of problems. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is to turn off your washing machine by pressing the power button and then leave the door open. Next, press the power button once to turn on the washing machine. You have to wait about 7 seconds. Just wait, don't press anything. And then all you have to do is to press and hold the soil button and the option button, both at the same time until the screen goes black and then back on again. Then you can release those two buttons. Then after doing this, you're going to unplug your washing machine from the wall socket, wait 5 minutes, and then plug it back on. If your machine is not plugged in a wall socket but directly to your circuit breaker, well, just close the circuit for about 5 minutes and then turn it back on again after waiting. For the models that have a timer control knob, I know not all Electrolux have these kind of knobs. What you need to do is while the machine is turned off, while it's completely unplugged from the plug, you need to turn this knob in any other position other than final spin to interrupt the cycle. And if on the machine you see a lock or maybe a key in red, it means that the control panel is locked and you won't be able to perform anything that I just showed you. So if your machine is locked, you first need to unlock it and then start the procedure the way I showed you. If you have any other ways to reset your Electrolux washing machine that I don't know, please type it in the comments down below. I'm sure it will be helpful to someone or somebody. And if this method worked, please leave a like, comment, and also share the video. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.